Entertainment TV. Remember guys to like, share, comment and follow. So guys, the South African rand tumbled, heading for a record low against the dollar as geopolitical risk added to investors' concern over a domestic energy crisis and global monetary tightening. The rand, often seen as a bellwether for emerging market risk, dropped as much as 2.4% to 19 rand and 34 cents, its all-time low on a closing basis. News 24 cited the US ambassador to South Africa as saying the nation supplied weapons to Russia. With yesterday's move, the currency has extended its losses this year to 11.5%, one of the worst performance in the developing world. Rand-dominated government securities also sold off at the longer end. Yields on bonds maturing in 2048 climbed for a fifth day, the longest streak since August. Eskom has been implementing rolling blackouts since 2008 to reduce reliance on its ailing power plants. Those outrages have intensified in recent years, and the country has been subject to 16 consecutive months of blackouts that can last as long as 12 hours a day. The company said over the weekend it would remove as much as 6,000 megawatts of capacity from the national grid indefinitely. The rand had been stuck in a range of between 18 rand and 18 rand 50 for about a month, then weakened after news that load shedding would remain at higher levels indefinitely. The pound rand course has also shifted, with the pair touching its highest since January 2016 in intraday trade on Wednesday. The associated load shedding means the economy is at risk of stagnation, with several bottlenecks overall in infrastructure and through supply chains, said Eric Meyerson, Chief Emerging Markets Strategist of SAB in Stockholm. And to this one, some recent sluggish high-frequency statistics, an acceleration in consumer price inflation, and investors will likely have cause to worry about the near-term economic prospects in South Africa, Meyerson said. The latest coming from the south, yes, from South Africa. Rand ragadona singaite, and yes, 19 rand 35 cents, 19 rand 20 cents against the US dollar. So if you look back 10 years ago, in 2013, rand right performance wakanaka against the US, but 10 years later, rand per market radakwanira. So this will affect also so many families who are in Zimbabwe, is who have family members who are working in South Africa. And it's not affected because if they want to send money to Zimbabwe, they have to pay extra fees, like send fee through Mukuru. We know what I got on my one. And it's $20 from South Africa. Tender, because $20 someone else is paying almost like 500 rand in South Africa just for like $20 or so. Saka kama na kutumira mari inengere shoma zvaya ku Zimbabwe, but still munyananga to pakuru, because South Africa imari yakawanda, 500 rand imari yakawanda, because we know kuti masalaries anokwira once a year. Saka it is what it is. We'll be keeping you guys up to date here with the latest on a daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Ndokuma kuta zvinu, both in Zimbabwe, both in South Africa. Because 10 years ago, takaona nakawanda vachibva ku South Africa vachienda ku Zimbabwe to look for better opportunities. And kwanzi kune greener pastures, but now muna 2023 zvada kungofanana. Zvakasana zvombichana. Some might say South Africa can still survive, but still, if you look, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. This is a daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Bless up.